Hello everyone, welcome to Art with Joshi and I am your mentor Shikha. Today we will create a very simple gift wrapping. At times when we have to give the gifts and we don't have any wrapping paper, we can use newspaper to create this simple gift wrapping idea. And we can also use any fancy paper if we have. Today I will show you gift wrapping with this simple disco paper. Before we start, I would request you all to please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. So let's start. Now the material required is any paper. If you don't have any fancy paper, you can always use a newspaper. It gives a very good impression and it talks about recycle and reuse of paper. Any ribbon, अगर आपके पास है, नहीं तो बिना ribbon के भी it looks equally good. We need a scissor. And I am using this double sticking tape. So let's start. We have this paper. The first step is we'll take the gift and we'll just wrap it. नीचे से बहुत थोड़ी सी स्पेस छोड़ के हम इसको सिंपल जैसे हम अपना गिफ्ट रैप करते हैं. First step is same. We will just wrap it as a gift wrap. अब ऊपर से टेप लगाने के बजाय what we will do is हम ये अपनी टेप बॉटम से लगाएंगे, इसको लगाएंगे. So bottom part will be the simple gift. अब you can see this. मैंने bottom से उसको normal gift की तरह wrap किया है और this part को मैं भी कुछ करूँगी. What I'll do is I will keep it like this and इस part को we will create it as a fan. Make sure you make the crease. That is very important. Now what we have done is we have made the complete crease. What we will do is we will fold it little diagonal. हम इसको प्रेस करेंगे little diagonal करेंगे. उसको सीधा नहीं रखेंगे, थोड़ा सा उसको टर्न करके रखेंगे. little diagonal, थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा रखेंगे. And then what we will do is we will put double sticking tape over here and over here. एक टेप हम इस कॉर्नर पे देंगे and एक टेप हम देंगे इस कॉर्नर. Now what we will do? Okay. हमने डायगनल रखा है, हमने सीधा नहीं रखा है. अब हम क्या करेंगे, इस वाले पार्ट को वी विल ओपन इट एंड पेस्ट इट ओवर हियर. सेम वी विल रिपीट विद द सेकेंड पार्ट. टू एड द इफेक्ट हम उस पे एक रेड रिबन से बो बना देंगे. Now take this ribbon, fold it. So our simple gift is ready. The gift wrapping is ready. We can always use a newspaper or any simple paper which is available at our home to make this fancy gift wrapping. Do give it a try. And of course, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Bye everyone, take care, stay happy and stay safe.